Let's go to question number 2. Why are amino acids amphoteric? First, we have to understand what is the meaning of amphoteric. An amphoteric molecule is a molecule that can act as both base and an acid. We can understand with BA or AB. It comes from a Greek word amphoterio, which means both. Both means acid and base both. The chemicals involved in the reaction dictate whether an amphoteric molecule will act as a base or an acid. Okay, let's come to the question. Why are amino acids amphoteric? Amino acids are amphoteric because they have an acidic group, which I told you earlier, that is COOH group, and an basic group, that is NH2 group. Okay, this means they can react with alkynes and an acids to form solids. Okay, and it has an Zwitter ions that let's see it in next slide.